What up, YouTube? Today is a good day. Today I'm gonna install my short shift plate from Damond, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Okay, first thing you do is take off the intake air box, and after you take off the air box, you're gonna have to take off this shift weight. It's gonna be two 12mm bolts, and then you're gonna have to take off the shift linkage, which I'm gonna use two flatheads, one on each side, and just pull down. Should just pop right out. Just have both screws like this and just push down, and it should just pop up. There you go. Right after you take the shift weight off, and then you take the linkage off, you get your short shift plate. And you can put it right here, and then slide it in the smaller one, just like that. Then this goes right under like this, and there you go. Here are the screws that they provide, so you use these instead of the original screws that you took off from the shift weight. And all you do is just get your shift weight, put it back in here like so, and then screw it in with these. And then you do it like that, and just screw them real tight. So these Damond bolts, they're going to be 14mm instead of 12. You just tighten them just pretty tight, but not super tight. These extra bolts are going to be for your upgraded shift weight. If you're using like a Damond shift weight, Cork Sport shift weight, you'll use these. Screwed in pretty tight. Just put the shift linkage back in, and there you guys go. That's how you install the short shift plate. Then just get the air box and put everything back in. Put the bottom in, and then put back the screw right here. And like that. Get the top of the air filter, connect this to the intake hose first. And then put the tabs in over there. Tabs back in right here. Like that. Connect the mav sensor back in. And then tighten that. I would recommend disconnecting the battery for 5 minutes just to restart the ECU, because you might get to check an engine light on because to unplugging the mav sensor. The Damond short shift plate and the weighted JBR shift knob is a perfect combo. Let's see how reduced these throws are. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear. That's a big difference. So if I go down to fourth stock would be like around this way. With the short shift plate, it's like a good inch that went up. Third be like a little more up here. I love the feel of my shifter now. It's 10 times better than it was stock. I like going into second, and going into third is just amazing now. Well, I hope you guys like this video today. Drop a comment and a like down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.